guys, I'm Alex and today let's create a cinematic dining scene. So different than in normal sets, a dining scene can have some more interesting lighting setup, and I usually like to work with a backlight. This with two backlights. What you need to do with these two backlights is to put them like in an X. The characters should sit at the table in different directions, and also the lights should point like in an X shape on the different characters. What this will do to your shot is to separate the subject from the background, and it will also act as a key light for different scenarios depending on where you are filming, but mostly it will create a cinematic scene by separating, like I said, the subject from the background and creating depth. And now let's talk about some shots which you can take at the dining scene. First of all, I took an establishing shot. This establishing shot shows the two characters together speaking and nothing too special. What I also did to this shot is to have a push in to make it more cinematic. The second shot is just looking from an angle at the subject. This will also have a lot of depth because we are going to have a really prominent backlight. This backlight will, as I said, create depth. And also a really interesting shot. You can also create depth by having a foreground object, something on the table for example. The next shots are some close-up on the glasses. These are also really good as some kind of b-roll beside the shots together when the characters are speaking. And the last shot is a top-down shot, again for the same sake, to use it as b-roll while they are speaking. And the last shot is a close-up on the character drinking out of the glass. And these are some shots and lighting scenarios which you can do onto a dining scene. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.